வெல்கம் டு மை யூடியூப் சேனல். சேனலோட பேர் கண்ணன் டியூஷன் அகாடமி. இந்த வீடியோவில் நாம் பார்க்க போகிறது பிஜிடிஆர்பி காமர்ஸுக்கான மாடல் டெஸ்ட்டு 8வது பார்ட் 1 வீடியோவிலேருந்து பார்ட் 30 வீடியோ வரைக்கும் உள்ள 900 எம்சிக்யூலேருந்து 100 மல்டிபிள் சாய்ஸ் கொஸ்டின் செலக்ட் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்கோம். இந்த டெஸ்ட்டு அட்டன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி உங்களுக்கு 1 hour ஃப்ரீ டைம் கிடைக்குமான்னு பார்த்துக்கிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் டெஸ்ட்டு அட்டன் பண்ணுங்கள். டெஸ்ட்டுக்கு வேண்டிய பேப்பர் பென் கையில் வச்சுக்கோங்க. இந்த டெஸ்ட்டு எழுதும்போது கொஸ்டின் நம்பரையும் ஆப்ஷன் நம்பரையும் மட்டும் எழுதினா போகிறோம். இதோட கடைசி பார்ட்டில் ஆன்சர் கொடுத்துருக்கோம், அதை நீங்களே கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஓகே, இப்போ வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், எக்ஸிம் பேங்க் ஆஃப் இந்தியா வாஸ் எஸ்டாப்ளிஷ்டு இன் த இயர் A 1964, B 1976, C 1980, D 1982. Second one, a set of segments sharing some exploitable similarity is called dash. A super segment, B product segment, C full market segment, D single segment. Third one, which one of the following is a catch-all method and is used as a tool of marketing? A marketing mix, B sales promotion, C product mix, D communication mix. Fourth one, a fire in factory delaying production for 3 weeks is known as A secular trend, B seasonal variations, C cyclical variations, D irregular variations. Fifth one, the technique that specifies the relative value of each job in the organization is called as A job analysis, B job description, C job evaluation, D job specification. Sixth one, amalgamation is a form of A trade association, B federation, C partial consolidation, D. Complete consolidation. Seventh one, an advertisement copy endeavors to develop and maintain the goodwill of a product is dash. A. Institutional advertisement copy. B. Competitive advertisement copy. C. Company interest copy. D. Human interest copy. Eighth one, expansion of trisome is A. The tribal's self-employment program. B. The training of rural youth scheme. C. The training of self-employment program. D. The training of rural youth for self-employment program. Ninth one, the scheme of SDR accepted by IMF and World Bank came into force in the year dash. A. 1960. B. 1970. C. 1980. D. 1990. Tenth one, the auditor is liable for A. Errors in preparing the final accounts. B. Not attending the meeting of the board for directors. C. Failing to attend equity shareholders meeting. D. Failing to prepare minutes. 11th one, modern day marketing concept is based on the philosophy of A. Product orientation. B. Sales orientation. C. Consumer orientation. D. Society orientation. 12th one, who recognized organization and management of the enterprise as the main function of an entrepreneur. A. J.B. Say. B. Cantillon. C. Alfred Marshall. D. Kilby. 13. Share warrants can be issued by A. Private companies only. B. Public companies only. C. Both A and B. D. Companies limited by guarantee. If the borrower fails to pay, the creditor will take possession of the movable goods, which is called A. Pledge, B. Mortgage, C. Hypothecation, D. Assignment. A fire in factory delaying production for 3 weeks is known as A. Secular trend, B. Seasonal variations, C. Cyclical variations, D. Irregular variations. 16. Which of the following banks is known as a lender of last resort? A. SBI, B. RBI, C. NABARD, D. IDBI. 17. For the purpose of adoption of indigenous technology, the form of subsidy is dash. A. Assistance in the form of interest payment due to IFCI for first 3 years. B. Concession for 3 years on principal amount. C. 75% of subsidy on cost. D. 75% of subsidy on interest. 18. To overall maximum managerial remuneration shall not exceed dash of the net profit. A. 5%, B. 6%, C. 10%, D 11%. 19. Rebate will be allowed by us on bill when it is A. renewed, B. discounted, C. retired, D. dishonored. 20. An internal audit is most suitable where A. there is no urgency to finalize the accounts on a particular date, B. there is an urgency to finalize the accounts on a particular date, C. system of internal check in operation is not satisfactory, D. there are more transactions and complication. 21. Fixed cost is also known as A. special cost, B. direct cost, C. prime cost, D. overhead cost. 22. Evaluation of venture capital investment made not on the basis of quoted market price but through more reliable informed sources is dash. A. market value, B. quoted market value, C. fair market value, D. unquoted movement price value. 23rd. Maximum limit of managerial remuneration shall be calculated on A. sales, B. revenue, C. net profit, D. gross profit. 24. The difference between sales and variable cost is A. margin of safety, B. break-even point, C. contribution, D. marginal cost. 25. The proceeds of assets not specifically pledged and the surplus of the asset specifically pledged are first available for A. liquidator's remuneration, B. Preference creditors. C. Debenture holders. D. Unsecured creditors. 26. Press advertisements comes under A. Direct advertising. B. Indoor advertising. C. Outdoor advertising. D. Promotional advertising. 27. The transactions are recorded assuming that the business will exist for a longer period time is called A. Periodicity concept. B. Matching concept. C. Going concern concept. D. Dual aspect concept. 28. Which does not come under liabilities from the following? A. Bank overdraft. B. Income in advance. C. Debtors. D. Creditors. 29. Perquisite and allowances paid to government employees posted abroad are A. Fully taxable. B. Fully exempted. C. Taxable up to 10% of employee's salary. D. Taxable up to 20% of employee's salary. 30. The facility of credit card enjoyed by the agriculturist are called A. Debit card. B. Green card. C. Smart card. D. Gold card. 31. The full form of CBDT is A. Central Board of Direct Taxes. B. Central Bureau of Direct Taxes. C. Central Board of District Taxes. D. Central Board of Distinct Taxes. 32. The following are preferential creditors. Find the odd one out. A. Taxes. B. Cesses. C. Preference dividend. D. Wages. 33. The Export-Import Bank was established in A. 1982, B. 1985, C. 1986, D. 1987. 34. Income from sale of household furniture is A. Taxable income, B. Exempted income, C. Casual income, D. Rebatable income. 35. Credit card cannot be used for A. Payment for purchase at a specified merchant establishment, B. Cash withdrawal from ATM of the card, C. Raising loan from the card, D. None of the above. 36. Internal auditor is appointed by A. The management, B. The shareholder, C. The government, D. The statutory auditor. 37. Which one of the following is not a international licensing? A. Agreement duration, B. Dispute settlement, C. Determining rights, D. Logistical consideration. 38. The long-term import and export policy was announced by the government during the year A. 1948, B. 1985, C. 1986, D. 1991. 39. The rights given to the members of a company by the memorandum and articles of association is A. Statutory rights, B. Documentary rights, C. Legal rights, D. Hereditary rights. 40. UTI set up in the year A. 1956, B. 1964, C. 1951, D. 1971. 41. Which one of the following types of audit is not statutorily required for companies in India? A. Internal audit. B. Cost audit. C. Audit of financial statement. D. Tax audit. 42. The lessor bears the cost of machinery, insurance, maintenance, repairs cost, etc. in the A. Financial lease. B. Operating lease. C. Financial lease and operating lease. D. None of these. 43. The first auditors of the company are generally appointed by A. Board of Director. B. Creditors of the company. C. Shareholders. D. Government. 44. Important part of a promotional program is A. Publicity. B. Advertising. C. Sales promotion. D. Personal selling. 45. Which of the following is treated as capital expenditure? A. Depreciation to fixed asset. B. Repairs made to fixed asset. C. Modernization to fixed asset. D. Loss on sale of fixed assets. 46. Registration of a joint stock company is A. Compulsory. B. Optional. C. Compulsory for public company and optional for private company. D. Compulsory for companies with liability limited by shares. '47. Which is the first bank to introduce a credit card in India? A. Andhra Bank. B. Canara Bank. C. Indian Bank. D. Bank of Baroda. 48. Dash is a letter from a bank guaranteeing that a buyer's payment to a seller will be received on time and for the correct amount. A. Bank guarantee. B. Import guarantee. C. Letter of credit. D. Export guarantee. 49. When central government directs to change the name of the company must change its name within a period of A. 3 months, B. 6 months, C. 1 month, D. 15 days. 50. Rupees 423 is written as rupees 324. The error is called A. Error of omission, B. Error of commission, C. Error of principle, D. Error of compensation. 51. A policy whereby domestic industries are to be protected from foreign companies' competition is referred as A. Protection, B. Tariff, C. Terms of trade, D. Exchange control. 52. Which is not a method used to analyze the financial statement? A. Fund flow analysis, B. Cash flow analysis, C. Ratio analysis, D. FIFO. 53. Which of the following is not profitability ratio? A. Inventory turnover, B. Gross margin, C. Expenses ratio, D. ROI. 54. In company meeting, proxy can A. Speak and vote, B. Vote only, C. Attend and vote, D. Speak only. 55. Given the sales value as rupees 2 lakh and the cost of goods sold rupees 1,40,000, operating and non-operating expenses were 20,000 and 15,000 respectively. Net profit is dash percentage. A. 125%, B 12.5%, C 1.25%, D 0.125%. 56. The word market is derived from dash word. A. Latin, B. English, C. French, D. Russian. 57. Consumerism is A bar an A. Industrial movement, B. Physical movement, C. National movement, D. Social movement. 58. Which of the following is not a direct tax? A. Income tax, B. Property tax, C. GST, D. House tax. 59. The secular trend has the growth factor or declining factor during A. Short term period of time, B. 3 months period of time, C. A long period of time, D. Any period of time. 60. Technical consultancy organization were set up for providing the following except A. Undertaking market research and survey for specific product, B. Total package of consultancy services to small and medium enterprises, C. Capital funds, D. Taking up assignment on a turnkey basis. 61. Disclosure of accounting policies is dealt in A. AS1, B. AS2, C. AS3, D. AS4. 62. The angle between sales line and total cost line is called as A. Margin of safety, B. Angle of incidence, C. PV ratio, D. Fixed cost. 63. The World Bank is a sister institution of the A. IMF, B. ADB, C. IFCA, D. IDB. 64. In what pricing method the last unit is taken as base for pricing? A. Cost plus pricing method. B. Rate of return pricing method. C. Break-even pricing method. D. Marginal cost pricing method. 65. A person who does the necessary preliminary work incidental to the formation of a company is a dash. A. Creditor. B. Shareholder. C. Promoter. D. Registrar. 66. Fixed cost plus profit is equal to A. Sales. B. Variable cost. C. Contribution. D. Break-even point. 67. A variable whose value is determined by the outcome of a random experiment is called as a random variable. B. Restricted variable. C. Small variable. D. Big variable. 68. What is the amount of operating expenses when sales is rupees 14,900, gross profit is 3,300 and net loss is rupees 500? A. Rupees 2,800. B. Rupees 3,800. C. Rupees 11,100. D. Rupees 11,600. 69. The entrepreneur who is never ready to introduce change in his enterprise is called as A. Fabian entrepreneur. B. Innovative entrepreneur. C. Imitative entrepreneur. D. Drone entrepreneur. 70. Verification of the authority and authenticity of a transaction as recorded in the books of accounts means dash. A. Vouching. B. Confirmation. C. Reconciliation. D. Valuation. 71. Abnormal loss is equal to A. Actual loss plus normal loss, B. Actual loss minus normal loss, C. Actual loss into normal loss, D. Actual loss divided by normal loss. '72. Consumer Protection Day is celebrated on A. 26 January, B. 26 February, C. 26 March, D. 15 March. 73. Qualification shares for a director are provided in A. Articles of Association, B. Memorandum of Association, C. Companies Act, D. Contract between company and director. 74. Horizontal analysis is known as A. Structural analysis, B. Static analysis, C. Dynamic analysis, D. Break-even analysis. 75. Which of the following is not a secondary data? A. Reports, B. Official publication, C. Journals, D. Questionnaire. 76. Perishable goods are available in A. Regulated market, B. Bullion market, C. Local market, D. Family market. 77. MBO means A. Management by opportunity, B. Management by obligation, C. Management by objection, D. Management by objective. 78. A public company may be wound up by the court if the number of members is reduced below A. 7, B. 5, C. 4, D. 3. 79. Financial market in essence are A. Money market, B. Capital market, C. Credit market, D. Liquidity oriented market. Price that is fixed at a full number is known as A. Customary price, B. Prestige price, C. Psychological price, D. Art price. 81. Theory Y of motivation is propounded by A. Herzberg, B. Vroom, C. McGregor, D. James Adams. 82. Which is an example of outdoor advertising? A. Press advertising, B. Television advertising, C. Internet advertising, D. Advertising boards. 83. If the articles conflict with the memorandum, A. The article shall prevail, B. The memorandum shall prevail, C. The directors will resolve the conflict, D. The court will resolve the conflict. 84. Administration overheads are covered as a percentage of A. Direct material, B. Direct wages, C. Prime cost, D. Works cost. 85. On which one of the following concepts is a determination of expenses for an accounting period based? A. Accounting period concept, B. Matching concept, C. Cost concept, D. Money measurement concept. 86. Modern marketing is A. Consumer oriented, B. Profit oriented, C. Market oriented, D. Production oriented. 87. Gross annual value of self-occupied house property is taken as A. Rupees 1 lakh, B. Rupees 2 lakhs, C. Nil, D. Guideline value. 88. Income from subletting of house property is A. House property income. B. Business income. C. Casual income. D. Income from other sources. '89. A floating charge means A. A charge on the assets of a company which is being floated. B. A charge on the shares of a company. C. A charge on the current assets of the company which are constantly changing. D. None of these. '90. When two or more existing companies combine together to form a new company, it is a condition of A. Internal reconstruction. B. Absorption. C. External reconstruction. D. Amalgamation. '91. The Tamil Nadu Small Industries Development Corporation Limited is known as A. SIDCO. B. SIPCOT. C. DIC. D. Trisome. '92. Preliminary expenses shall be allowed as a deduction in dash equal installment of subsequent years. A. 5. B. 10. C. 15. D. 20. '93. Dividend can be paid out of A. Share premium account. B. Capital resumption reserve account. C. Current year profit. D. Capital. '94. The type of process loss that will not affect the cost of inventory value is A. Seasonal loss. B. Abnormal loss. C. Normal loss. D. Standard loss. '95. A debit card holder makes payment for purchases A. After 15 days. B. After 20 days. C. After a month. D. Immediately through his account. '96. The concept of marketing was absent in A. Exchange orientation stage. B. Production orientation stage. C. Sales orientation stage. D. Self-sufficient stage. '97. Who are the following eligible assessees can claim under Section 35D of IT Act preliminary expenses? A. Indian companies. B. Other resident. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. '98. Vouching is done with the help of A. Auditor's staff. B. Clerical staff. C. Vouchers. D. Bills and memos. '99. Which of the following is not a source of fund? A. Purchase of machinery. B. Profit earned during the year. C. Issue of share capital. D. Long-term loan raised. '100. In Solomon versus Solomon case, the feature of a company established was A. Separate property. B. Limited liability. C. Perpetual succession. D. Separate legal entity. ஸோ இப்போ ஆன்சர் ஷீட்டை கையில் எடுத்து வச்சுக்கோங்க. ஒன்று ஒன்றா ஆன்சர் சொல்கிறேன், கரெக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 1 D, 2 A, 3 B, 4 D, 5 B, 6 D, 7 A, 8 D, 9 B, 10 A, 11 C, 12 C, 13 B, 14 C, 15 D, 16 B, 17 A, 18 D, 19 C, 20 D, 21 D, 22 C, 23 C, 24 C, 25 C, 25 A, okay, 26 B, 27 C, 28 C, 29 B, 30 B, 31 A, 32 C, 33 A, 34 B, 35 D, 36 C, 37 D, 38 B, 39 B, 40 B, 41 B, 42 B, 43 A, 44 B, 45 C, 46 A, 47 A, 48 C, 49 A, 50 B, 51 A, 52 D, 53 A, 54 A, 55 B, 56 A, 57 D, 58 C, 59 C, 60 D, 61 A, 62 B, 63 A, 64 D, 65 C, 66 C, 67 A, 68 B, 69 D, 70 A, 71 B, 72 D, 73 A, 74 C, 75 D, 76 C, 77 D, 78 A, 79 A, 80 C, 81 C, 82 D, 83 B, 84 D, 85 B, 86 A, 87 C, 88 D, 89 C, 90 D, 91 A, 92 A, 93 C, 94 B, 95 D, 96 D, 97 C, 98 C, 99 A, 100 D. இப்போது உங்களோட டோட்டல் கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர் எவ்வளோன்னு பாருங்கள். மறக்காமல் அதை கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் திஸ் வீடியோ. ஆல் த பெஸ்ட். இந்த எம்சிக்யூ உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் பேஜில் எழுதுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். பெல் ஐக்கானையும் ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற அடுத்த வீடியோவோட நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் இம்மீடியட்டாக உங்களுக்கு வரும். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். சப்போஸ் உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ரிலேட்டிவ்ஸுக்கும் தேவைப்படும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா இந்த வீடியோவை ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். ஒன்ஸ் அகைன் தேங்க்யூ வெரி மச். ஆல் த பெஸ்ட்.